Hi everyone, I wanted to take a couple of minutes to give you a little tour of the website Newsela, Newsela.com, Newsela.com. This is a great spot where you can look for sources for your One World essay. Lots and lots of different articles here on all different types of topics. You can use the search function over here on the left-hand side to enter keywords that are connected to your topic. For example, we have a couple of people that are writing their essays on the topic of technology addiction. And if we search for those keywords, you will find many different articles that are connected to that topic. I recommend that you go through and read the titles of each article and see if there's anything that sounds like a particularly good connection to your topic and your claim. Here is an article called Negative Positive Effects of Excessive Social Media Use on Teens Studied. If that looks like it might be a good fit, I can go ahead and open it. And from here, you can adjust the reading to your current Lexile level. Right up here on the right-hand side, there's a drop-down menu where you can select more or less what your Lexile level is at this moment based on your Spark work. So if your Lexile level is around 850, 900, you can click this. If you're around 1200, there's an option. The max is going to be the most difficult version of the article for you to read. So again, based on whatever your Lexile level is at this moment, make your selection and take your time to read through the article. If this article has useful information, if there's good evidence here that you think you might want to use in your essay, I recommend that you click on Save. And that way, when you start to write your essay later on, it will be easy for you to come back to Newsela and very quickly find this article. You'll be able to go up to your content and click on the option Saved by You to find any articles that you've saved. If I do one more example, this time I'll use the example of obesity. And there's a couple of people that are writing about obesity and nutrition. If I search for that, again, there's a number of different articles. Take time to read through the titles and see what might be a good fit. If you don't see anything here, there's an option to show more articles to find others. And when you find something that looks interesting, for example, getting back to basics for physical fitness, open up the article, adjust the Lexile level for you, take your time to read, and if it looks like a good source that you will use later in your essay, click on Save. Hope that helps. I hope you enjoy exploring Newsela and that you find lots of good articles that connect to your essay topic.